Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So these are the plantains I got for 500 naira. So they are very unripe. You want to use unripe plantain. No slightness of ripening at all. So if you are looking to maintain a healthy weight and a healthy diet, you can opt for healthy swallows like this. There are several healthy swallow options. This is one, and I shared one in my previous video. I'll leave the link to that in the description box, and I'll be sharing more, so kindly subscribe for more of this kind of videos. So after washing properly, you are going to cut it into two so that it will be easy for you to remove the back. So I want to take you through all the process from start to finish. So come along with me. So after cutting all the plantains, I put them into a clean water and I'm cutting them into tiny bits to enable the blender blend everything. You can also use the plantain flour, and if you want me to show you how to make the plantain flour, please comment down below you love plantain swallow, then I'll share that video also. It's so easy actually, just for you to cut them into tiny bits and spread in the sun, and when it's dried you blend them, and that's all. So this is it, and I'm going to pour them into my blender now, and I'm adding in just 2 cups of room temperature water, and that's all you need for this recipe. So I'll go ahead and blend. And this my blender really came through for me. It's blended everything very well and very smooth, and it's not even difficult. It's very easy to blend actually. So I think you can try it out with your blender at home. So now I'm going to transfer it into a clean pot. I use non-stick pots, but you can also use any pot you have. I just rinsed it a bit, just to avoid any form of waste. So now you start stirring. Let it be on high heat, and I didn't want to hasten this process at all. I want you to see everything from start to finish, how everything is going to come together. So just watch and see how everything goes. So you keep on stirring. This is not something you leave on the fire and go and come, because it's going to have lumps and you will not like it. If it has lumps at this stage, it's fine, because you are stirring it continuously. It's going to all blend up together. Please, if you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. I appreciate. Please keep on sharing my videos to reach a wider audience. Thank you. This whole process took about 10 minutes to get ready. You can see it's all coming together now. Except for one tiny or two particles that did not blend totally. If not, this blender did a good job, and if I had left it for longer, it would have blended everything completely. Comment down below if you are going to be trying this out, and the review of this is going to come at the end of this video. So keep on watching and I'll tell you my honest opinion about this swallow. Is it overhyped or is it worth the hype? We are going to find out shortly. So this swallow is so nice. It's not even overhyped at all. It has not even gotten the hype that it deserves. It's stretchy and it's nice. It's even better when it's cool a little bit. It's so nice and you don't even miss eating starchy swallows at all. This is very nutritious and healthy. If you want to maintain a healthy diet for diabetic patients, and if you want to lose some calories also. So enjoy. You see how nice it looks. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.